In this vast wilderness, the landscape is our backdrop, and the vehicle is an extension of who we are. For many LC250 owners, the stock stance feels like it's missing something. It's rugged, sure, but there's room for more. I'm DG from Plomor. Today, we aren't talking about off-road capability, we are talking about aesthetics. Let's see how Plomor uses this OE Plus philosophy to restore the perfect balance through subtle refinements. The foundation of this build starts with these 4 Plomor 42 wheels. If you pair them with two 65/70 R18, this combination perfectly fills the fender flares and balances the look. It's an ideal setup for both smooth highways and rugged gravel trails. We kept the design strength. Instead of flashy styles, we focused on steady hidden strength. With the load rating of 850 kg per wheel, we've pushed the limits of aluminum alloy. This isn't just about looks, it's about performance, providing safety and stability far beyond the factory standards when you are fully loaded or hitting high-speed gravel roads. If the wheels are the skeleton, these wide body fender flares are the tactical share. People ask, why 47mm in the front and 49mm in the rear? These precise numbers perfectly align with the new wheel offset. They protect your paint from flying rocks, but more importantly, they reshape the vehicle's center of gravity, giving the LC250 the bold, heavy-duty look it deserves. The matte finish is subtle yet tactical. It blends naturally with the outdoor environment. It doesn't break the original geometry. Instead, it makes the car look more grounded and composed. This is our OE Plus design philosophy. Even in the deep wild, we keep that refined, professional edge. Real off-roaders don't just win it. Freedom is built on preparation. First challenge, flying bullets. In the deep deserts, bugs and sand are radiator's worst enemy. Some think a grill mesh is optional until their cooler gets punctured miles from home. Our Plomor mesh uses precision stainless steel. It maintains factory airflow while blocking debris. It fits perfectly and stays nearly invisible. That's the OE Plus style we live by. Next, the forehand. The LC250 front end is very flat, making the whole edge a high-impact zone for rocks. Our solution covers the front end, adds 2 extra fender panels for more coverage. Made from UV-resistant ABS, and specific curve is not just for looks. It deflects gravel away from your windshield. Best of all, no drilling required. On washable roads or narrow broad trails, side protection is vital. The factory fenders look tough but don't offer much splash protection. We skip cheap plastic for high-toughness synthetic rubber. It won't crack in cold nights or warp in the desert heat. It's a precision cut to match the tire edge, protecting your paint while giving the trunk a lower, more stable stance. Here's a detail most people miss: the side mirrors. They stick out the most and get hit first in narrow patches. This isn't just plastic, it's a precision-crafted mag-L alloy. It protects from scratches. And even better, it has a built-in GoPro mount. This shot you are missing right now, that was filmed using this bracket. It's armor and a tactical camera mount in one. Huge temperature swings can cause annoying fog inside. These window visors offer a smart balance. They let you crack the window for fresh air while keeping out heat and sand. In the rain, they keep your interior dry. In the sun, they block the glare. It's about staying comfortable while enjoying that pure mountain air. When the sun dips below the horizon, darkness takes over instantly. During a long overland trip, the limit of your factory headlights is often the limit of your safety. To be honest, the LC250's factory lights are great for the city, but in the pitch black wilderness, they lack the width and distance needed to spot hazards ahead. This real-world limitation is actually why we developed this Lightning series. First is the roof light cover. We used an aerodynamic design to cut down on annoying wind noise at highway speeds. But when you turn it on, you will see it's more than just extra brightness. It fills the gaps that factory high beams can reach. Whether you are hitting gravel or sand, it helps you spot rain changes far ahead. In the middle of nowhere, that elevation is what gives you confidence behind the wheel.
Spider-Man does whatever a spider can, spins a web.
Now, let's look at the roof rack system. Before we talk about lights, it has to be a great roof rack first. All crossbars are made of high-strength aluminum to ensure everything stays rock solid, even when full loaded. We reset the light bar into the front frame. This means it doesn't weaken the structure or take up any extra cargo space. Many people worry that roof lights cause a glare on the hood, which can be distracting. But notice the high-side setback design. It's positioned further back than standard lights, use the roof's curves to block reflections of the hood. You don't have to deal with that annoying white glare. A clean view of the tree, that's what hardcore really means. Finally, the detail that adds a touch of warmth, the tailgate light. In the quiet of the night, when you are digging through the trunk for gear or tools, you will realize how practical this is. It provides bright light for your campsite and frees up your hands. It also features full screen touch control. This is OE Plus logic. No drilling, seamless fit. It respects the original vehicle while making life much easier. This clean, refined design is all about making the vehicle work better for you. Against the backdrop of nature, this LC250 has found its perfect form. At Plomor, we don't believe in overbuilding. We believe in perfection through detail. If you appreciate this refined tactical aesthetic, check the link in the comments or visit plomor.com. We offer 10% discount for your first order. I'm DSG. See you at the next coordinate. Bye bye.